How to log in to Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and you have recently logged out from your account on it and you don't know how to log in back, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to log in to Uber Eats, simply choose one of the account that you have signed in before. Just right here you can see I have signed in with the Apple. Now to continue to log in, simply tap on it just like this and tap on to sign in. Now you can see it is signing in. And now you can see you have simply logged in into your account. And that's it. This is how you can log in to Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.